Hey there, eco-warriors. If you've ever dismissed leftover food as just another trip to the trash can, hold that thought. Today we're diving into an adventure that's not only exciting but crucial for our planet. Imagine this: a thriving city where all the delicious scraps and unused goodies find a second home instead of the landfill. Today, I'm going to show you how to drastically reduce food waste in our urban jungles and recycle like a pro. From savvy shopping tips that help you buy just what you need, to creative cooking hacks that turn yesterday's dinner into today's gourmet surprise. We're going to explore innovative composting ideas. So whether you're a seasoned city dweller or just starting your sustainable journey, this video is packed with easy and entertaining ways for all of us to make a positive impact. Ready to turn waste into wonder? Let's get started. Your green adventure awaits. Number 1. Animal feed. Donate scraps to local farms, but make sure to check regulations first. Source: Upcycled Food Association. Number 2. Food donation. Partner with food banks like Feeding America. Source: Feeding America. Number 3. Olio, an app for sharing surplus food. Refed, offering data-driven solutions. World Resources Institute, providing global food waste reports. Number 4. Donate to the Food Rescue by City Harvest. Number 5. Food Recovery Network seeks to recover surplus food to feed needy families in U.S. By combining these strategies, urban communities can reduce waste, save money, and promote sustainability. Want to learn more about how to save Earth? Wait for part 2.